Are you experiencing slower speeds while using Webroot's Wi-Fi Security VPN? Don't worry, you're not alone and we've got you covered. Today, I'm walking you through a comprehensive guide to help you optimize your VPN connection while still keeping your data safe and secure. So let's dive into how Webroot works, the factors that can impact your VPN speed, and the detailed steps that you can take to make your connection as fast as possible. So first things first, what is Webroot Wi-Fi Security? Webroot Wi-Fi Security is a VPN service designed to provide a secure and private internet experience. It encrypts your online activity to protect against hackers, phishing attempts, and even your internet service provider monitoring your browsing habits. It's lightweight, user-friendly, and it integrates well with Webroot antivirus software for a comprehensive security setup. Now, unlike many VPNs that significantly slow down your connection, Webroot strives to offer a balance of both robust security and fast speeds. However, even the best VPNs can experience some latency due to the added layer of encryption that VPNs provide. That's where this guide comes in. Why does a VPN slow down your internet connection? Before we get into the solutions, let's first understand why VPNs cause slower speeds in the first place. Here are the main culprits. Server distance. Your data travels to a VPN server before reaching its destination. The farther the server, the longer the journey, which can increase latency. Server load. Overcrowded servers can slow down your connection as the VPN infrastructure has to handle more requests. Encryption overhead. Encrypting and decrypting data requires processing power, which can slightly delay your connection. Network congestion. General internet traffic between your device, the VPN server, and the final destination can also create bottlenecks. Now let's look at how to tackle these issues and speed up your VPN connection using Webroot Wi-Fi Security. Step 1, choose the right server. So the server that you connect to can make or break your VPN speed. Connecting to a server closer to your physical location reduces the distance that your data has to travel, which will overall improve your speed. So here's how to select the best server in Webroot Wi-Fi Security. Open the Webroot Wi-Fi Security app on your device. Click on your current server location to access the server list. Choose a server that's geographically closer to your location. Test the new connection by loading a website or streaming a video. Now, if you're trying to access geo-restricted content, then pick a server in the required region, but look for less congested options. Step 2, experiment with encryption protocols. Webroot Wi-Fi Security supports different encryption protocols, and some are faster than others. While higher encryption levels offer stronger security, they can sometimes slow down your connection. Here's how to change the encryption protocol. Launch the Webroot Wi-Fi Security app. Navigate to the settings menu and look for the protocol section. Select a faster protocol like IPv2 or OpenVPN for better speeds. OpenVPN or UDP is generally faster but less reliable on unstable networks. IPv2 provides a great balance of speed and stability. Now avoid using older protocols like PPTP unless absolutely necessary, as they are definitely a lot less secure. Step 3, use a wired connection. So while Wi-Fi is convenient, it's prone to interference and signal degradation, which can impact your VPN speeds. A wired Ethernet connection is much more stable and often much faster. So, if possible, plug your laptop or desktop directly into your router using an Ethernet cable. For mobile devices, position yourself closer to your Wi-Fi router to ensure a stronger signal. This step alone can make a noticeable difference in speed. Step 4, optimize your firewall and security settings. Firewall and other security software can sometimes interfere with your VPN performance. Here's how to check if your firewall is causing issues. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software. Test your VPN speed by running a speed test or streaming content. If the speed improves, add Webroot WiFi Security to your firewall's exception list. Reactivate your firewall after testing. Keep in mind that you should only disable firewalls temporarily and never leave them off permanently. Step 5, perform speed tests. Measuring your internet speed can help you identify whether the VPN is slowing you down. To run a proper speed test, first disconnect from the VPN and perform a speed test using tools like speedtest.net or the Ookla app. Then reconnect to the VPN and repeat the speed test. Compare the download, upload, and ping results between the tests. By pinpointing discrepancies, you'll better understand how much the VPN affects your connection and whether the server or protocol changes are working. Step 6, upgrade to a modern device. Older devices often struggle with the encryption process required by VPNs. If you're using outdated hardware, it might be time for an upgrade. Modern devices with faster processors can handle the encryption workload more efficiently, resulting in better VPN speeds. Step 7, keep your software updated. Ensuring that your Webroot Wi-Fi Security app and device operating system are both up to date is crucial for performance. Updates often include bug fixes and optimizations that can improve speed. Here's how to update. Open the Webroot Wi-Fi Security app. Check for updates under the Settings or About section. Similarly, check your device's system updates in the Settings menu. Regular updates keep your device and VPN running smoothly. Moving on to Step 8, enable the kill switch for security. While the kill switch feature doesn't directly improve speed, it prevents data leaks if your VPN connection drops, and here's how to enable it. Open the Webroot Wi-Fi Security app. Go to the Settings menu and toggle the kill switch option to on. This ensures that your internet connection stays private even during disruptions. Step 9, try alternate servers during peak hours. Webroot servers can get busy during certain times of the day, especially in popular regions. If you experience slower speeds, then try switching to an alternate server. For example, if a US server is congested, connect to a Canadian or European server to see if speeds improve. Step 10, contact Webroot support. If you've tried all these steps and you still experience slow speeds, then it might be time to contact Webroot support. Here's what you need to include in your report: the server location that you're connected to, your device type and operating system, speed test results with and without the VPN, and any error messages that you've encountered. Then Webroot's team can provide personalized troubleshooting to help you resolve persistent speed issues. So VPNs are invaluable for privacy and security, but speed issues can be frustrating. With Webroot Wi-Fi Security, optimizing your connection is as simple as choosing the right server, tweaking the protocols used, and ensuring that your setup is up to date. By following these steps, you can enjoy both fast and secure browsing. If you want to get started with Webroot, we'll leave a link for it down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And it's these links that really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we cover everything from VPNs and cybersecurity to staying safe online and detailed product comparisons, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.